Friends, welcome to Welding Inspector Interview Questions Session, Part 5. Here we are going to discuss about Aramco and CBT exam questions. To receive all our videos, kindly subscribe our channel. Also, if there is any questions, comment your question in comment box. Define arc blow. The deflection of an arc from its normal path because of magnetic forces known as arc blow. The main causes for arc blow is the residual magnetism that is created during manufacturing of the ferrite material so the magnetism to be removed before welding. What are the standards for welding as JER standard? That is W11 for on-plot piping welding, W10 for pressure vessels welding, W12 for pipelines welding, W14 for clad materials welding, W16 for corrosion resistant material welding. Write the weld layers. There is four layers. First one is root pass, second one is hard pass, the subsequent pass is called as filler pass, and the final pass is known as capping pass. What is the function of shielding gas? The function of shielding gas is to protect the weld metal from the atmospheric gases to avoid oxidation and nitrates formation. Then stabilize the arc on the material surfaces. Then ensure smooth transfer of molten metal from the wire to weld pool. What are the weldment terms? That is weld face, top of the weldment, weld root, that is bottom of the weldment. Fusion boundary is the imaginary line which connect the weldment and parent material. Heat affected zone, weld toes and weld width. Writes small bore fittings. Weldolet, sockolet, threadolet, elbowlet, and nippolet. These olets are the self-reinforcement fittings. What is the principle of UT? The ultrasonic testing works based on the principle of reflection of sound. Here the ultrasonic sound waves passed on the material and that reflect where backwall is there. This principle is used in ultrasonic testing. What is the use of couplant? The use of couplant is to remove the air gap between the transducer and object. Transducer means that is the probe. The normally used couplants are oil and grease. What are the different types of conventional welding process? They are gas junction arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, flux coated arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and plasma arc welding. What are the different types of welding position? In plate there is 4 position. There is 1G flat position, 2G horizontal position, 3G is vertical up and vertical downhill position, 4G is overhead position. Also in pipe there is 4 position, 1G, 2G, 5G and 6G. What do you mean by the term interpass temperature? Interpass temperature is mean by the heat maintained between two consecutive weld passes. While welding a pipe trunnion to pipe reinforcement pad, you have to put a hole or leave some portion of welding wire. That is for venting of hot gas which may get generated due to welding. What is the effect of the quantity of hydrogen induced in weld metal is more. When hydrogen is more in weld metal, it tends to make the material brittle and subsequently leads to cracking. These cracks are called as hydrogen induced cracking or delayed cracking. This can be eliminated by removing the moisture from the consumables. Why don't we take a branch connection for cryogenic services from bottom side though the fluid is in liquid state? There is a chances of ice formation during normal operation, and since ice flows from the bottom of the pipe, it will block the branch pipe connection. From which side of pipe will you take a branch connection? When fluid is gas, air or steam and cryogenic service, the branch connection should be top side. When fluid is liquid, the branch connection should be bottom side.